Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my annual gift guide for 2020. I have all the list right in my phone. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So before getting into this video, I want to talk to you guys about one thing. So 2020, I think I've been telling this for about like 3 to 4 videos, but I'm going to tell it again. 2020 was not our year. There were so many ups and downs, and physically, emotionally, financially as well. There are a lot of people who got completely drained out. So this like festive season, don't get into the entire mood of I have to do it like the previous years. It might be a little slow, but still nobody's gonna question you on that. So at your own pace and at your own strength, go ahead with the gifts. So all of these gifts are not related only to Christmas, but these are also gifts that you can give for your birthdays, for anniversaries, gifts, whatever, on a daily basis or something like that. So let's get started. First gifts that I recommend is giving something really like a cute mask that is fancy for outside wear. I don't like, personally, I'm not a person who likes wearing those kind of masks, so I kind of wear these printed masks or something like that. So that it'll be a wonderful gifts. And I have 2 different scarves right here. I got both of these as a gift, so that is why I know that I really like them. This is a mask. Now this is a really pretty floral mask, super pretty, and it is very thick. It has a black lining inside and it's super thick. This is from the House of Tara. I think I got this from Myntra. I will leave all the links in the description box, but this is really good. It is supreme. It has this soft satin kind of finish, and it's really thick. It does not make you feel like you're not able to breathe and all. At the same time, you can actually use this on a daily basis. It's very thick, and it has these loops right here wherein you can tighten or loosen the mask based upon your ear size. That is something I really like. So this is mask number 1. The other mask that I have is actually this cute fancy mask. Now this also has these drawstrings right here wherein you can tighten and loosen the mask. But this is like a mask cum scarf. Yeah, this is how it is. It has this really big scarf. Now I actually got this from my mom and she left it right here, so I wanted to show this. But this is a really cute mask, and I feel like this kind of it sasses up the entire look. That is what I feel. So fancy mask. So if you're looking to give something they might use on a daily basis, masks are really good. Now the second gift that you guys can give is actually gifting a plant. Now that is what I've actually started doing. Even for a couple of my neighbors' housewarming ceremonies, I have actually gifted them a plant. So, and there are so many plants and those seeds and all of that online that you guys can buy, or else to your local markets. You will find so many, and trust me, when you gift a plant, if it's a plant that blossoms flowers, they will always think about you. So gifting a plant is really good, and it is super good for the environment also. Next gift that you can give is actually those fragrances. Now in fragrances, I'm going to talk about the candles also, but I want to talk about these incense cones. These are from Fool. I've ordered so many from them. This is the this is the tea tree incense cone. I really like these. I also have the incense sticks. I also have like different varieties. I think I have ordered like 7 to 8 from this brand, and these are really good. They smell like, they're really like, they amp up the entire room. It smells really good, and they actually they come in this super sustainable packaging. And they come with a really cute note that says, I hand rolled this box of incense with love and care. It's really good, and it has this, it comes with its own that dabba wherein you can just put it over this and then you can have it and you can burn it. It's really good, and I feel like this is for, I get 80 sticks, I think. I get 40 sticks and 40 incense cones. I will show you guys how the cones actually look like. This is a new one, but yeah. This is how they look like. These are those incense dhoop cones. This is what I really like, and they smell amazing. They come in this beautiful package as well, and they have this small one wherein you can put the cone on them and then you can burn it. It's really good, and for 40 cones, I've actually did the math, okay? So for 40 cones, you get 40 cones and it's for 145 rupees. And I feel like it's super affordable as a gift, you guys, and you can also use it on a daily basis. So if your mom or even your friends really like fragrances and you're on a budget, you can definitely give these. These are really, really good. Next, now that we're in the entire section of fragrances, I don't think fragrances are complete without talking about candles. So, and candles are not complete without talking about Bath and Body Works. So I have a bunch of candles from them. And I feel like candles are like a perfect gift no matter what. You can give them for your birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, you name the occasion, and you can always gift them. Recently, Bath and Body Works had their annual candle sale sort of a thing for the 3-wick candles, where all the 3-wick candles were for about, I want to say $9.99. So I went gagas and I bought a lot of candles. So I'm showing you guys 2 of which I have right here. The first one that I've ordered is actually Fresh Balsam. This is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful candle. It is a 3-wick candle, and you know I need not talk about the fragrances coming from Bath and Body Works because these are really, really good. They are amazing, and I feel like this smells like your fresh cut grass. This is what I exactly smell from this, and now that the entire name makes sense to me, but it's a really good fragrance, and I feel like putting this during the during the winter seasons is really good, because winter seasons, the only thing we miss is a little sunrise and the sun smell and all of that. So this smells really good, I feel. So this is one I have. The other one that I bought is actually from okay, this is also from Bath and Body Works. This is the pumpkin apple, and oh my god, this smells yum, and I love the color. It's that deep maroon, pink, I don't know what the shade is, but oh yeah, this is the crimson red kind of a shade. Like, it's really, really yum. This has so much, I remember some toffee or something that we've eaten with this. This is pumpkin apple. It's really, really good. I've also gotten 2 which I've actually gifted to my mom. One, I'll leave the picture right here. The one is leaves and the other one is apple weather. They were amazing. My mom's already using them as well. So yeah, so this is what I really like. I love fragrances, and coming from Bath and Body Works, I feel like Bath and Body Works and candles, you don't need to even talk about it. Any occasion, they're the perfect gift, and I feel like these candles, these are so huge that I've been using like 2 or 3 for about, I want to say a month and a half, and they're still not done. I use them for about an hour or 2 for the entire house, and it's really, really good. And I feel like investing in candles is something you realize that you're adulting hard. Like, I've never invested in candles. I think I've started invested in candles from 2019, and I am in love. I have so many Bath and Body Works candles that I'm not going to run out of them. On the note of candles, if you are actually gifting them candles, please do gift them the candle lighter also, because lighting candles with a matchstick is not easy. And I really like this one. This is from Amazon. I have it in my Amazon favorites. If you guys have not checked it out, I will leave it in the cards and in the description box. Go check it out. It's a really amazing Amazon must-haves that you should definitely check. But this is a really good candle lighter, guys, because the reason I know the value of this is because my mom doesn't have one. I've ordered one for her. But using this to light your candles is so much easier than lighting it with the incense stick or with whatever, with a matchbox. It's very, very difficult. So I feel like using this is really good. It's super easy. You just like it's completely off. So if you switch it on, you can see the lights, and then you just have to, okay, wait, let me try. Yeah. Can you see how sharp it is? That is how easy it is to light a candle, and I feel like this is really, really good gift. So if you are giving a candle for anybody, please go ahead and give this. And if you feel like candles, Bath and Body Works candles are expensive, I do understand. So if you feel like Bath and Body Works candles are expensive, you can go ahead and try candles from Akam. I've not ordered them, but I've seen a bunch of candles from them as well. And Godrej is also doing bunch of candles. These are those pillar candles that they're doing nowadays. I've just seen them on advertisements and all of that, but you can definitely go and try them out if Bath & Body Works is not the limit you're reaching for. So it's not necessary to just give a Bath & Body Works candle. You can give any candle. Any local store can make candles. You can give them, but always whenever you are gifting candles, please make sure to give this, because they're gonna burn their hand. You have no idea. The next gift that I have is actually for mums, or anybody for that matter who loves home decor, and that is those festive pillows. I have one right here that my brother got for me, but this is how it is. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." It's super cute. I really like it. I don't know, I think he got it from IKEA or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is what it is. So festive pillows are super cute, and I am sure that everybody's gonna love festive pillows during that time, because you want your entire house to, you know, amp up, because the entire year we've been in the house, you guys. Like, it's been more than a half a year. It's been 9 months and we're already in the house. So for the festivals, at least we are supposed to, like, I feel like now that we are in the entire, you know, we've been in the houses for a really long time, at least for the festive season, a little decoration makes it. I don't think I'm gonna find this, because I'm not sure. He got it from Sweden, but I will try linking a couple of festive pillows that I found on Amazon in the description box, so that you guys can go check it out. The next gift that I have is actually for somebody who loves body care, or, you know, somebody whom you want them to take care of their body, and those are body polishes. I have like a bunch of these from Dove. Now this is the Dove's exfoliating body polish. This is in crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is how it looks like. It's super pretty, and it's a big tub. And this is for, I want to say, yeah, this is for $6.99, but I'm sure you will have offers. I have 3 different variants. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. I also have a kiwi seed and aloe. And the other one that I have are actually pomegranate seed and shea butter. So these are like the typical body polishes that you can give, or you can also make one in the house. You just have to give a little coffee scrub or something like that. Just make it and give it to your mom or your dad or your brother, anybody for that matter, whom you feel like they have to pamper their skin or something like that. But I really feel these will make them as such a beautiful gift. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, you guys. It'll mean a lot to me and help me grow, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.